Hello, burger lovers. Are you ready to craft the ultimate hamburger that promises a taste bud explosion every single time? I'm here to guide you through each sizzling step, so get your spatulas ready and let's dive into the delicious world of burgers. First up, let's talk about the foundation of any great burger, the patty. You'll want to start with high-quality ground beef. I recommend a mix of 80% meat to 20% fat for that perfect, juicy, flavorful bite. Gently form your patties, but remember, don't overwork the meat. We want them tender and succulent. Now, for seasoning, simplicity is key. A generous sprinkle of salt and pepper is all you need. Trust me, it'll bring out the natural flavors of the beef when we cook it to perfection. And speaking of cooking, you've got options. Grill them for that irresistible charred flavor, or cook them on a skillet for a crusty caramelized exterior. Either way, you're in for a treat. As those patties sizzle, let's get our toppings ready. A crisp lettuce leaf, a slice of juicy tomato, and perhaps some red onion for a sharp bite. And cheese. Let's not forget the cheese. A good melt of cheddar, or if you're feeling adventurous, a slice of smoky Gouda can elevate your burger to new heights. But here's where we get really creative. The sauces. Why stick to plain old ketchup when you can mix up a special burger sauce? Just combine mayonnaise, ketchup, a bit of mustard, and a splash of pickle juice for that tangy twist. It's a game changer. Assemble your burger while the patties are still warm. Start with the bottom bun, add your lettuce, tomato, and onion, then place your hot, cheesy patty on top. Slather on that delicious burger sauce and cap it with the top bun. Press down slightly, not too hard, and there you have it. The perfect burger. Take a moment to admire your creation before you dive in, and when you do, get ready for that taste bud explosion. Juicy, flavorful, and oh so satisfying. Whether it's a weekend treat or a special occasion, this burger recipe is sure to impress. Enjoy every bite, and until next time, keep those grills sizzling and your taste buds tingling.